Hi guys, I'm Conrad with Archery Asset, and today I'm going to show you how to refletch an arrow. For you guys, this is the first time seeing this, but I've already filmed this once. But the microphone batteries decided to die in between the test check and the next clip. So I get to do it all again. Enjoy! To fletch arrows, you're going to need the arrow you want to fletch, some vanes or fletchings, aka feathers, depending on what style you shoot, super glue, fletching jig. This is just one of the many you can get. Bitzenberger is also very popular and nice. I use that a lot, but I didn't have it today, so that's what I got. Some isopropyl alcohol and a paper towel. Let's get into it. So to start, you want to take off the vanes that are already on your arrows, and to do that, I've got my Milwaukee Fastback and a garbage can. So I'm just gonna take these off. So now that we've got the vanes off, we're ready to clean the arrow. Gonna grab your isopropyl alcohol and your paper towel. Just get some on there. And then be careful not to clean the emblem on your arrows, just the part that's gonna be fletched. So there we go. Now that that's nice and clean, you're gonna set your arrow to where that part won't get contaminated, and set up your jig. Now for mine, all I have to do is put the vane in there. This is a 1/2 degree helical on here, so it'll just give it that tiny little spiral. Take our super glue. You're gonna wanna just put little dots of super glue on the vane. All the way across, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little dots, and you're gonna wanna smear it around just so that there's a very thin covering over the entire vane. Then we're gonna grab our arrow, put this piece onto it, and this is all pretty specific to my fletching jig. We're gonna put it in there. And then I'm gonna press down and hold it for about 2 minutes. 1, 2. So I'm going to slowly let up and take it out and take a nice look at it. Looks like we've got our nice 1/2 degree helical. Got the vane making contact at every point on the arrow, and it looks good. One of the things I like to do on these is just put a little dab of super glue at each end. Just enough to help keep it on there. There we go. Give it that little extra bit of stability. For the next one, I'm going to set that off to the side. Clean off the jig just to keep it nice. Set that on there. Then do our dabs of glue. Then we'll put the second one in, apply pressure, and hold. Okay, then about 2 minutes, let it up, and nice. We've got them evenly spaced. You can see that better right there, evenly spaced, making contact everywhere. Perfect amount of glue, not too much seeping out. Just gonna put the little dabs at the end. There we go. And we're ready for our third. So just set that off to the side. Clean our jig. Put the vein in. Do our dabs of glue. There we go. Then put our arrow in, like so. Press down. Been about 2 minutes. Load it up. Okay. Then we've got all three. Nice. This one, just like the others, made contact everywhere. Perfect amount of glue. Just gonna do the dabs. And we're gonna set it aside for roughly 20 minutes and then we could shoot it. Thanks for watching, guys. And by the way, I know that thumbnail had horrible form. I was just doing everything I could to get the veins in frame, and it is not easy, let me tell you. Anyway, I really hope you liked it or learned something. That is how to fletch an arrow, and until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.